when is it time to keep pushing and when is it time to let go? And I love, we came up with 3 key questions. And these are questions that a couple, if they are at that breaking point, they're feeling that stress, that they want to sit down and they want to discuss together. I think that this is something, not an individual thing. I really do think this is something, especially when you got a lot invested in a relationship. And the first question is there consistent progress, right?
Oh, yeah.
Even if it's slow, are we acknowledging that we're making consistent progress?
Even if there's backslide.
Yes, absolutely. The next question is, do both partners acknowledge their role in rebuilding trust? That it's not just like, oh, I got to trust you more, or I have to gain back your trust, but we have shared responsibility in rebuilding trust, right?
Yeah, and not forcing your innate way of being is not like, honey, let's talk about our relationship today, right? So I have to accept that, but your strength is really like having that healthy perspective and being accountable for yourself. And my strength is like bringing the emotion into the relationship. Like I can't change who you are. I don't want to, but really having that vision, that perception of who your partner is. Like they're not, just because they're not like you doesn't mean they're bad. What are the strengths that we carry in that we can carry into this relationship together? And that's what makes it dynamic and amazing. I don't want you to be like me. God help us. We would be a very emotionally charged relationship.
And that kind of leads to the last question, which is there an agreement here that we have a mutual commitment to creating a secure relationship? Because if one person is like, no, I just want you to stop doing what you're doing, that's problematic.
Right.
But if you're saying like, look, we are both committed to creating a secure, resilient relationship. And by making that agreement, we're both doing work individually and together to get there.
I love that. And are we willing to go through a massive amount of roller coasters and support each other through that while we're doing that?